In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Outlook not showing pictures 5 minutes. If images in your Outlook emails aren't appearing and you're seeing blank spaces or little placeholders, Outlook is probably blocking external content to protect your privacy and reduce data use. The fix is quick and safe when you understand what it changes, and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by opening the Outlook app on your computer. With Outlook open, look to the top left and choose File. This takes you to the Backstage view where all the app level settings live. From there, select Options. You'll see the Outlook Options window open. This is where you can customize how Mail, Calendar, and other features behave. On the left side of that window, click Trust Center. The Trust Center is designed to help you control security and privacy settings, especially around content that comes from the internet. Next, click the button labeled Trust Center Settings. This opens a smaller window with detailed controls we need. In that new window, choose Automatic Download from the list on the left. These settings specifically manage whether Outlook downloads images and other external content in your emails. Now find the option that says Don't download pictures automatically in HTML email messages. If this box is checked, Outlook will block images by default. Uncheck this box. By doing so, you're allowing Outlook to automatically fetch and display images when you open HTML emails, which is how most marketing and newsletter emails are formatted. A quick note on what this means: enabling automatic downloads can make emails look the way the sender intended, but it may also allow senders to know that an email was opened because some images act as tracking pixels. If privacy is a top concern, you can always come back here later and re-enable the block. Also, if your device is managed by an organization, these options might be locked by policy. If they are, you'll need to contact your IT admin. Once you've unchecked that box, click OK to apply the change and close the Trust Center settings. Then click OK again to close the Outlook options window. That's it. Head back to your inbox and open an email that previously hid its pictures. Outlook should now load those images automatically. If you're on a metered or slow connection, keep in mind that downloading images can use more data, so adjust this setting later if needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Outlook emails displaying images the way they should.